Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video we want to eat our
unusual lunch. So what we have here is
we have coconut
and avocado and pawpaw. Okay. Hey, wait now, leave it. Philip. Wait.
So we have avocado and pawpaw. Okay.
So we'll be topping it up with our coconut water. Philip, eat pawpaw, see pawpaw. Banana.
Eat.
The combination is nutritionally sweet. Use the right hand, huh?
It's good. Eat.
Avocado. I like the avocado. It just got softened today. That is why it's still in this form. You people are not eating pawpaw because the pawpaw is not as soft as the avocado. Philip.
Who's that come avocado on same?
The pawpaw is naturally sweet. Manila, you like avocado?
Manila like avocado. The way Manila did, I am feeling.
The visual avocado, pawpaw.
Happy Yato. You more. Papa.
Kids, when they are small, when kids, children that are small, maybe daddy say they don't like eating. As a parent, get prepared though. By the time they start eating, avocado has finished. Manuela.
Yo, no, ma.
Oh, it's time to
Drink.
to flush it down.
Mm.
Mm. Mm.
No, no cup.
Mm.
Philip.
So, it will
Ẹ
got
ṣe
some
sí
butter.
Ẹ
Okay.
dúró sí ibà.
Why not remove the?
Ẹ gbogbo wa.
Mm.
Wọ́n ti dá.
Mm. Wait, Manuela, wait now. Check.
Ẹ mú bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ mú kó tó dànù.
Philip. Before, we usually beg Philip to eat. Now. Before you bring out the food.
Ìgbà ń kọ́pù méjì. Ẹ rọra ṣí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti
It's
dà.
not easy like that. There's no how you open a coconut, a drop of coconut water with
Dànù.
You don't need to take. Wait, let me take this. Manuela, you like eating this part?
Okay.
This one is for Manuela.
Hey! Hey!
Sorry.
Ẹ ti wọ̀ wá pẹ̀lú coconut.
Manuela. Drop this one. Drink
Ó
water.
sílẹ̀ ná. Ń jò dànù. Ọmọ ọmú díẹ̀díẹ̀.
Take it like this.
Cup.
Cup. Just take it.
Philip ti mú
Okay,
tọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀
Philip
tán.
has finished. Sorry, it's not intentional. In fact, oh,
The coconut water is super delicious.
you know, if you live naturally, you need to be going by this. Wow, beautiful people. Yes, I'm okay. Philip, let me prepare the meat for you, eh? Manuela, don't go and enjoy yourself. Let me do it for you. Okay. Manuela, take. Hold it now.
Ń jò dàpọ̀.
Philip,
Àwọn
take.
òrùwó láti
Hey,
dànù.
now, leave those things. It's not, Philip, you can't drink that one. It's dirty. You can't drink it. Don't drink it. It's not good. Take, see coconut water. How? Manuela, safe, you safe.
Yọ̀yà gbé kó mú. Àwọn yóò dànù.
Yeah. Beautiful people. Sorry, pardon us. We didn't invite you people. That's we have forgotten. Philip, don't make a mess out of it now. Yeah. Don't make a mess. Manuela, take. Come in. Manuela, stop that. You don't. Yeah, uncle. Wow. Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much.
This is our unusual lunch. Manuela, say thank you. Subscribe. See you in our next video.
Don't forget to share,
Like,
and
turn up the notification bell to all.
watch how we prepare
Our fabulous
corn flour.
swallow.
Corn swallow.
See you in our next video. Bye bye.